Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to do the alternative solution of our question number 2 numerical, and the answer will be as per the NCERT answer. What the NCERT answer has assumed in solving this, we are going to take in this lecture. Okay, let's begin. In this question, question number 2, the question is again the profit sharing ratio between Anubha and Kajal is 2:1. Their capital is 90,000 and 60,000. Profit during the year was 45,000. Now, what they have assumed to get this answer is that the interest and capital and everything has already been adjusted in this profit. This is after adjustment of all the things, that is interest on capital and then salaries and drawings, interest on drawings, everything has been adjusted. Okay, let's solve this and let's see if we get the same answer or not. So, this is our alternative solution. Let us solve this here also. What we are doing? We are going to make the P&L appropriation and capital account. After this, we will keep the format of our capital account also ready. Okay. Now, the first thing first, in this we are going to make a note that it is assumed that the profit, this 45,000 which has been given, has already taken care of interest on capital, salaries, interest on drawings. So, what will happen? This profit will directly be transferred to our partners. So, by P&L account, not here, in P&L appropriation account. My profit and loss account 45,000. If we are assuming that all the entries have been done and this is after all the entries of capital, interest on capital, salary and drawing, interest on drawings, then this profit will directly go to the partners. Anubha and Kajal. The ratio is 2:1. So, now, what we'll do, we'll just assume that the profit of this 45,000, okay, was not distributed earlier. Rest of the things we still have to distribute here. So, first thing, we'll brought down the capitals. We still have to give them the salaries and interest on capital, which you already calculated in the previous question. So, if we do this, this is the time when we will get the answer exactly same as what NCERT has got. So, let us do the calculation. Let me set the calculator. $90,000 plus 30,000 plus 8,400 plus 4,500. So, 1,32,900. If we solve this, then to balance, carry it down. $123,975, and here the total is 60, 15, 6 and 975, 81, 84. So, the answer which comes is, now when we are doing this, just make a note here that what assumption we have to do. So, in exam, if such question come, you have to solve, we do not have to solve by this method, you have to solve like how we solved in the previous video, okay. But that is the entire reason we are making a note also here. That is the assumption. have already been adjusted in the P&L account. If we assume this, then the answer as per NCERT will come. I am still telling you, this is not how you are supposed to solve in your board examination. Okay. So, in this lecture, I just wanted to give you the alternative of question number 2. Now, we are going to start question number 3 in our next video. Okay. Thank you.